In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the Visual C++ Redistributable. If you're having trouble installing certain apps, it's likely because this essential component is missing. But don't worry, it's super simple to set up. Let me guide you through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser. I'm using Chrome, but feel free to use whichever browser you're comfortable with. It doesn't matter. In the search bar, type Visual C++ Redistributable and press Enter. Make sure to click on the link from the official Microsoft website. It's really important to download it from a trusted source, such as Microsoft, to keep your system safe. Once you're on the Microsoft page, scroll down a little until you see a list of available versions. Look for the one labeled 2015 to 2022 and click on the option that says Latest Supported. At the top of the page, you'll notice a few download options. Most users will need the x64 version, since it's designed for 64-bit systems, which are what most modern computers run on. Click on it, and the download will begin. When the download is complete, open your File Explorer and navigate to your Downloads folder. You'll find the installer file there. Double-click it to launch the setup. On the setup screen, take a moment to review the license terms, check the box to agree, and then click Install. If a pop-up appears asking for admin permissions, click Yes to proceed. And that's it! The installation will only take a few seconds, and once it's done, you're all set. The Visual C++ Redistributable is now installed on your system, and you're ready to install the apps you need without any issues. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with any other tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.